Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix can't open JPG photos on your Windows. Now first method is click on your Microsoft Store. And in search address, just type Microsoft Photos. And now just start to download Microsoft Photos on your Windows. Now once your Microsoft Photos has been downloaded, just try to open your photos on Microsoft Photos. If it doesn't work, just go to Start icon and go to Settings. Now in left side, click on Apps and click Apps and Features on your right side. Now in App List, just type for Photos. You will get a Microsoft Photos and click on the three dot icon and give Advanced option. And now just click on the Reset option. Now once the reset is completed, try to open your photos on Microsoft Photos. If it doesn't work, just click on the search icon and type Windows PowerShell and give a run as administrator. Now you can able to get this command on description of this video and copy and paste in PowerShell and hit enter. Now try to open your Microsoft Photos and still the problem is not fixed, and go for the last method. Right click on Start icon, go to Settings. Now on your left side, click on Apps and on right side click Default Apps. And in first click on .jpeg and click on the arrow icon and give More Apps. Now try to open your photos in these apps one by one. If Paint is not work, and go for Photos, and if Photos is not work, go for Snip and Sketch, and try to open your photos one by one in all your available apps. I hope after trying these three methods, your problem will be fixed. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.